Hey guys. Hello everyone. Good morning guys. Good morning. Happy Thursday. How are you guys? Hi. Hello guys. Hello. Good morning. How are you guys? How's your Thursday so far? That's so annoying. Like I ate just so good while IM session, PM session. I don't want to come this. Painful. Hello everyone. Good morning guys. Good morning. I'm doing great. I'm always doing great, right? Always. I'm good. Yeah, if it's not going to pump today, it's a scam. Like scam. If you're not going to get another long today, scam. So yeah. But guys, I'm going to show you something. Guys, I pay for data on SPX. You don't need to pay for this. Remember yesterday we entered long during AM session, and during PM session I still was holding this long. I just added to my position at the bottom, and our target was 77.68, like on this trade. But since we didn't have volume, it was super slow, and I closed my trade completely somewhere here, like after taking like most position off at this high. Like guys, look what happened like right now. Target hit. Setup worked. It's only took 12 hours. 16 hours to go there. But yeah, guys, setup worked. We hit buy side during pre-market. Extremely happy with this because, I was in long twice and I was like, damn, we must take it. So yeah, nice delivery during pre-market to our final target. Unfortunately, this didn't happen during PM session and AM session, but once again, we didn't have volume, so honestly, I did not expect to get something strong during PM session. No purpose allows to hold overnight. You can enter position at 6 PM. You must close your position around depends on prop firm, but let's say at 4 PM, and you can reopen your position at 6 and hold this. That's what I do. Good morning. You didn't know this? Most people do this, lots of people do this. They know they cannot hold overnight, they close position at 4 and reopen at 6. Lots of people do this. I do this as well. Often. Okay, not often. I don't trade Asia a lot. I used to do this often, not now. Guys, if we're not going to get long today, market is a scam, stupid, illegal, ridiculous. I don't know how to describe this. If we're not going to get in longs today, just F market. So I don't know how to describe this. Just dumb. Go up today, hit 7,800 and hit previous weekly high level on both yes and NQ. Stop the stupid moves, chops, consolidation. Everything, just go up. Enough. Enough. One second. So guys, I entered trade yesterday at 6 PM. Okay, at 7 PM on ES. I closed before news. I closed around 6:50 or 7. No, I don't remember the time I closed. At 7:20. Whatever. Don't remember. 7:15. Yeah, I see them here. So I closed my long on 7:15 on ES. I want to see higher, but I didn't want to hold through the news. And I traded gold, guys. I traded gold last night. I want to see 45.09. We all wanted to see this, but I didn't hold. I just got my base hit and that's it. But guys, look at this move. We went to 45.09 and look where we reversed today. Damn, we reversed right from 45.09. We discussed this yesterday. Absolutely amazing delivery, guys. So guys, I'm up today on the day already. I'm up $1,100 on my funded accounts. It doesn't mean like we will not trade today. We will trade today, just different accounts, because I already made money everywhere. So we will just trade other accounts. It's not a problem. Not going to like trade more on this funded account simply because like no reason. I entered the trade and went to bed. I didn't go to break even, and simply because I was sleeping. So my stop loss was only over here. So it was there all night. I didn't move anything. It just was there. It was like really around like 7-8 points. So I was ready to like lose in case like I'm wrong. But fortunately for me, I was lucky today and I got my profit, which I deserved yesterday, honestly. On every trade, that depends. That depends on market. That depends like on conditions. So it's once again really depends. I don't have like default rule when I need to move to break even, so it's once again always different. Why it's going up now? I mean, I don't mind, but let's wait for us, please. We're gonna have gap today on SPX. It's nice. I believe? 1 second. Nice break above New York midnight open on NQ. That's actually solid. I want to see previous weekly high today. So bad. So for example, let's just say I'm in short and my target like New York midnight open lower. And my target remains like way below New York midnight open. But I want to keep in mind, New York midnight open can be potential support level. So once we hit New York midnight open, I will take some off there. And I will start trailing my stop loss. Because I want to keep in mind, New York midnight open can be point of reversal. And at this point, I want to protect myself and I can trail my stop loss. Sometimes when we have like super volatile market, I can like trail once I'm up like 1 hour or 1.5 hour. I can trail to break even. Let's say we entered at first stage of market maker buy model long. So, and 2 and 2.5 remains lower than a high from objective. So once we hit 2 and 2.5, standard deviation projection of manipulation leg, since we entered at first stage of market maker buy model, I can trail my stop loss to break even because I can anticipate potential deep retracement. And so on, like different conditions really. Depends on how good market, like at this specific moment. I want to see higher, guys, so bad. Okay, sure, 1 second. Yeah, of course. Why are you even asking? Of course. Base hit, done. Base hit, done. Base hit, done. Market said yesterday stream that he believes the high of the week is in. I'm not sure about ES. Guys, I don't trade inversion. I use inversion for a while as potential reaction level, but I never execute off inversion. Guys, I'm not sure about high of the week. I kind of confident with low of the week, but not high of the week yet. I don't know. I would say no, especially on ES, but I can be wrong. Maybe it's okay for NQ once. Maybe it's okay for NQ simply because it's like an asset right now. But I wouldn't say it's okay for ES. So let's see. Yeah, low resistance liquidity run. I kind of question this for now. I would say most likely no. But you never know. We cannot see the future. Wednesday high. Oh, that will be nice. I want to see new high of the week on ES though, guys. It's my opinion, and we should go a bit higher. Good morning, Maxim. How are you? Oh, he said he's done. Guys, after Monday, I said to myself I'm done with this market until next week. After this, on Tuesday I took 3 trades. Yesterday we took 2 trades. Oh, actually yesterday I took 4 trades. So every single time when I say I'm done, this means I'm not done. But gold, guys, remember we talked about gold yesterday? Look at this dumb reversal. Where is my week? From OT of this week. That's exactly what we want to see yesterday. Right to 45.09. Damn. Gold did absolutely textbook price action. Reverse from 45.09. Nice. I can show my trades. It's not a problem. So it was my gold trade. I got how many points? A bit more than 20 points, I believe. I didn't hold to 45.09. I wish I was holding to this 45.09, but I didn't have enough contracts. And my yes long is here. I entered around 7 p.m. yesterday, and I closed in 12 hours at 7 a.m. I didn't want to hold true news, guys, because you never know how it's going to end. So I decided to just cut the trade. I was happy with my 16 or 17 points. I don't remember how many points I made, but I was happy with this, better than nothing. Better than nothing, right? And so far that's it, guys. Let's wait for our trade during the YAM session. I hope yes will offer something solid. Hey guys, how are you? I'm doing great. Guys, if you're watching me in vertical mode, look at pinned message in the chat. I'm running 2 streams at the same time. It's vertical one and regular one. You can switch from vertical to regular one, just clicking the link that I attach in my pinned message. Look, pinned message in the chat. You looking for shorts? Not really. I'm looking for longs. Hello, welcome. Guys, let's try to stay away from being married to bias today, because every single time when we want to long, we short. Every single time we want to short, we long. So We can read your eyes. What does it mean? If it's gonna take previous weekly high level, I want to long to previous weekly high level. I don't care what will happen after this. Seriously. And the problem with SPX long, like I have paid data. We just hit this final TP. We just didn't have volume. Super annoying. But it was a trade on yes, guys, we took yesterday. I mean, obviously, first one was stop loss simply because we got wrecked on this week, news week, or what. I don't know what it was. But second trade worked out. Come on, I want to see higher. MXM, why you never ever send me your photo? Like now, you must send this. Why you said like she doesn't know how I look? I mean, you didn't need to say this. Now we want to look at you. Hello, guys. You think like, I mean, gold is definitely better, guys, but the problem is gold is better not during IM session. IM session is garbage everywhere. So annoying. He doesn't exist yet? Oh, guys. Those evals, like, I don't have those evals anymore. I full ported them because I forgot to trade them on Tuesday. I full ported them, I blew them. Because, like, I forgot, it was like at 3 p.m. I was like, damn, I need to pass them. And I was like, I don't remember, $400 away from passing, guys. Don't tell me anything. I full ported them at 3 p.m. Like, at 3 p.m. Obviously, I blew everything. $400 away. Okay, guys, I bought new one. It's okay. Luck is my second name. Then you like, guys, surprising why I put like reminders on my phone because of this. Don't worry, guys. We have another account. I bought new evals same day, but legacy one. Just wasted. Oh god, it's so annoying because on those evals I wasted just $1,000 on nothing. Super annoying. And I wasted $500 on those ones. So already $1,500 just because I'm stupid. Whatever. It's fine. I don't need to funded accounts. I have them, but evals worth for stream. Whatever. Annoying. But I bought legacy one, guys. Legacy, I just want to pass them simply because I want to keep them as reserve. Because I can pay monthly for them. But yeah, I full ported $400 away. We didn't have volatility at 3 p.m. Oh, don't remind me, guys. Annoying. Professional trader and looking for trade every day. I mean, you know, you can find setup every day. I mean, if your model is here, take your model. You never passed evaluation? I hate passing evaluations. That's why, guys, I buy straight to fund accounts. I really hate it. It's okay, guys. It's okay. You know, like, you don't need to, like, compare yourself with other traders. It's fine. So I have Lucy Direct accounts, 50K, you know this, and I have Tradify straight to funded, Lightning funded accounts, 150K. So I have TPT, but it's not straight to fund. It was a vals, then I pass them, so it's like account, like just a val to funded. What else? I have Legends, it's also a val to funded. And Apex, but I had like them for a long time from a val to funded as well. But when I see option to buy straight to funded, guys, I'm not going. It's me. I am not going to waste time on passing evaluations. I really hate this part. I don't know why. I'm not good at passing evals. I know. Want to see Monday high. I really want to get new high of the week on yesterday. Guys, yeah. You know, on Monday, I believe, yes, on Monday, I was $150 away from passing 20 Apex evaluations. It was challenge for stream, $150. Then I took class. After this, I was like $800 away from passing evals, and I recovered a little bit. I was $400 away from passing evaluations. On Tuesday, I completely forgot about this. Then I was like, oh, it's 3 p.m. I need to pass this because it's gonna expire today. Because 30 days left, like 30 days accounts only. And I full ported them like $400 with this volatility, no way I'm going to make it. I full ported, blew everything. This was so fucking annoying. Guys, I bought new protein bar. Ingredients, not that bad. Not that bad. It's not like millions ingredients. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In 8 ingredients. Not perfect one, but once again. Sometimes I want something sweet, like sometimes. So I decided to buy protein bars. It's like there's some sugar there, though. Oh, don't even ask. Because I didn't have time to look for setups. It was 3 p.m. Just don't even ask. I'm stupid, so it's fine. Of course, looking in hindsight, I could do better, but once again, it already happened. It's not bad. Coconut one. I love everything with coconut. It's addiction. I drink powder as well after workout. Once again, I don't do workout every single day, but I still drink powder, like around like 6 p.m. Oh, guys, I bought this evaluations like as a challenge for stream, but normally I pass for 1 day. Epic evals. Do we have like... I don't know if like Russia has coconut. I like coconut flavor. I mean, you can find this everywhere. $100 kg. It's your weight? My weight is like 54 kg or like 123 pounds. Like pineapple with coconut, also nice combination. Like really nice one. I just like coconut flavor. I don't live in Russia. I never ever lived in Russia. RX bars, 1 second. I believe I try them. Oh yeah, I saw them. You know, yesterday I also saw new protein bars. Like it was honey instead of sugar, but I didn't like it. Like was like cookie chips, like with chocolate chips. I was like, I don't like cookie, I don't like chocolate chips, so I'm not going to buy this. But ingredients, they were perfect. Ingredients were perfect. Guys, yeah, I expect to get higher, like minor pullback continuation. Antarctica, of course. Good morning, Rose. How are you? Long time no see. Protein. Okay, let me check. Guys, recommendation of protein bars with good ingredients. Come on. Oh, it's in Costco, right? I saw them as well yesterday. Is it good ingredient? I was looking at them yesterday, but didn't get them. Let me check ingredients. I think it's good. Oh yeah, it's not bad. How much protein is there? 20 grams. Nice. 28 grams. Oh, that's even better because it's 17 grams here. Not that much. Okay. I will try. Thank you. Okay, let me check. I need with good ingredients, like without palm. By the way, the problem with this in like bar, there is palm oil here. I didn't see this yesterday. Annoying. You sure about this best protein bar? It's like chocolate bar, no? No, I mean, I believe I tried it, but it was just like normal chocolate. You almost every single day? Oh, you just don't type any messages. Okay. Oh, guys, let's hope to get nice long today. Whey protein. So I think I have problem with whey protein, guys. I mean, I have one like ON optimal nutrition, or how to call this, whatever. Like, I have 2 different flavors, chocolate and vanilla ice cream, guys. I have bad reaction, like seriously. That's why I bought like plant-based one. Yeah, I saved this David one. I saw them in Costco yesterday. I was watching them yesterday, like, do I want to buy them? Or let me try this one first. Yeah, it's always better ingredients. Even here, like, I didn't pay attention yesterday, but I just realized here's palm oil. Why I bought this? Yeah, I use protein as well. Same one. With protein, I tried like whey protein, different flavors, different brands. I can't do this. I know why. One that is expensive without it. I know, guys. Palm oil. No, we're gonna focus on charts after market open. No reason to focus on this now. Yeah, I hope it's gonna be better than yesterday. If you're watching me in vertical mode, just look pinned message in the chat. You can switch on normal mode. So, I check plant-based ingredients, plant-based protein ingredients. It's not bad. All-time high on gold? On gold. I'm not sure about like all-time high, like for now. I don't see major shift in structure yet on gold to start talking about all-time high again. I mean, definitely it's possible, just not enough information yet to long. I think so. There's bigger chance to bounce like somewhere above 4,600 towards all-time high, but for now, like, not enough information to be like long-term bullish. I mean, long-term bullish, we must be long-term bullish on gold, but like just as intraday traders or swing traders, I don't really want to engage just yet. Okay, guys, let's see, 3 minutes left. In-person seminars, I think I'm not good enough to host this kind of like meetups. If you just want to meet for coffee, lunch, I'm like down. But I don't feel like I'm old enough or professional enough to host meetups or something like that. Maybe in the not near future, maybe in the future I will. But once again, I don't think like I'm professional enough for this yet. Maybe I will. You never know. But not now. Exactly. Yeah. If TPD is invalidated, it's better to close the trade. For RTH, so I don't have indicator for RTH just yet. I believe someone... Actually, 1 second. 1 second. I feel like someone sent me. Oh, yeah. 1 second, guys. I feel like someone sent me this. Let's check this out. Oops, not this one. Why can... Which time frame should I use to put this one? Something went wrong. Maybe I can see this because of color. It doesn't work. Okay, let's try to find. Ideally, I want to be able to adjust levels. Um, 50%. I wish I was able to adjust levels. But this one so far so good. 1 second, let's check. Maybe I'll find option. No? Guys, do you know indicators where I can adjust levels? I don't think so. It's good enough, but I cannot add levels. Like, for example, 62% and 70.5%. It's important for me. I think we can find something. Market is open? Yeah, guys. Market is open. Can I change settings? It's quadrant. Well, guys, let's focus, but I don't think like I can find something. Yeah. Okay. So far, I will draw this manually. It's not a problem. See where we opened? Damn! Guys, look at that. TP could be hit. Just took millions years to do this. Okay. I mean, fine. Oh, actually, I don't need this anymore. Just delete this Dasha. Nothing else. Okay, let's just do this manually for now. One day I will find a good indicator or I will write this indicator, but for now we don't have it. So let's work with what we have. This one. So looking for pullback. Like that on SPX. Now. Oh, it was SPX chart. It wasn't ES chart. SPX has gap. But guys, if you will find indicator, just let me know. Good one, like good one. So just well, guys, I will find something. Fewer bars, peanut butter. Okay. Thank you, Amelia. So guys, let's wait for pullback on SPX to try to engage in continuation setup. I really want to get pullback around like 10-15 points. It's around like near New York midnight open. From rules, look, and it highlights, I can adjust levels, like, can I add like 62%, for example, or 25%, or let's say 70.5%? Can I add those levels? So, guys, I mean, pullback is here. The test of New York midnight open on NQ happened, and actually that's good. I kind of satisfied with pullback on NQ, but not really on, I mean, on NQ is good. Maybe it's enough. SPX has room to go to 77.77. We discussed this a couple of days ago. But Monday high needs to be taken. So what happened here? Nothing significant, right? We took this flat candle on ES. I mean, not bad reaction though. Just want to see, I guess, a bit more to downside. It's okay. We will get just set up later. Don't want to engage right at market open. But once again, remember what I said yesterday during PM session? Everyone will have FOMO today. Probably because of this. It's gonna be a quite fast delivery. Need to be careful and just wait for a continuation setup. Monday high taken, absolutely brilliant. Nice flat candle on 5-minute chart. Looking for previous weekly high, guys. Okay, let's just wait for a nice long setup. Needs around 30,000, so bad. Even 30,100, so bad. Let's see what, I would like to check something. Come on, indicator, can you load faster? Oh yeah. See what happened here? We got displacement, candle price broke above 50%. Like ideal scenario is something like that. We'll try to be, oh god, looks good. Don't want to engage right at market open. It's giving us no choice. Okay, keep waiting. I'm not gonna engage right at the open. Just don't want, yeah. Exactly what I expect to get, like straight up. Remember we talked about this yesterday? No, guys, I'm not in trade. Damn, such a beautiful price action. Why so fast? Oh yeah, especially after like chap before. Like on Wednesday chap, we expect to get expansion like next day. Beautiful, beautiful. I want to see even higher. I want to see like over here. How big is initial disk? Like 10 points? Okay. Online. But once again, who are we to give up? We will wait for another trade. Next day, annoying, like, guys. I mean, okay, I will be like, I'm fine with this. Like, yesterday is Wednesday, so it could be like kind of crazy to anticipate a big move, even for CPI. Like, if you expect to get used the low of the week, normally, like, we're moving higher on Thursday and Friday. Good job. Guys, I'm not a trade. 2 minute and 3 minute, I love both. Both so good. No trade. Flat. No, today we are not going to buy. I mean, I am up on the day because I traded Asia. I wish I was holding my long because I went long on ES last night from at 7 p.m. 1 second over here at 68. Of course, it's a bit painful to see this now. Trail. Nice trade. 90 should be protected area. So 90.50. It's 50% of previous candle. Yeah, I entered at 7 p.m. and closed at 7:15 a.m. I closed over here at the bottom. Of course, it's a bit painful to see it's running up now, but once again, I didn't want to hold your news because you never know how it's gonna end, and I was like, I'm gonna close before 8:30 a.m. Do you know, Rakiv? I have no idea who is this. Who is this? Guys, amazing job. I want to see previous weekly high level. Can you please wait for me? Good morning, guys. Can you please wait for me? One minute will be or 10 minutes will be. Depends on you. If you like 1 minute, trade 1 minute. Guys, I try to avoid 1 minute chart unless like we got like huge expansion candles on 3 and 5 minute chart and we simply have no choice. We have to switch on lower time frame to find the structure. So I can switch on 1 minute chart at this point, but almost never. Oh, it's like oh, okay. I mean, first time I hear this or I see this flat candle. Yeah, how to call this? Like wickless candle, flat candle, wickless candle. I mean, guys, it's flat candle, okay? Let's leave this like that. Oh yeah, I'm given my website. Do you like the name, like flat candle? Nice one, right? Nice one. Oops, sorry guys. Is there continuation here or a little bit more to downside? Another weekless candle, flat candle here. Full port short. I mean, definitely we can pull back, but both ES and NQ left previous weekly high level. Looking at, let me show you why I want to see a bit higher. I'm gonna explain now. 1 second. I hope I did not delete the levels. No, look at this. Price is, see the daily order block? Let me do like that. It's gonna be easier to see. See the daily order block here? See how, this one, 2 down close candle. See how price is expecting mean threshold? Normally price tends to go to opposite liquidity level, which is previous weekly high. Exactly same picture on NQ. Let me show you. Mean threshold holding, we're going to opposite liquidity level, which is previous weekly high level. Once again, I'm fine with pullback now. It's gonna be even easier for us to engage later. But I feel like I still would like to get another leg up. That's my opinion. I mean, if it's gonna offer pullback so we can engage, nice. Oh, you email me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this. Oh, I see. Thank you so much. So I can adjust levels there. You're the best. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you. Appreciate this. All-time, I mean, yeah. I mean, for me, it's previous weekly high level. You can call this all-time high. Same. No difference, right? I made good money today already in Asia and pre-market. I mean, I was holding during the night. So I'm up $1,100 on my funded. But it doesn't mean we're not going to get in trade. Like soon, like really soon. Trying. 30 seconds left. Let's see if it's gonna be sweep. I will probably engage. 16 seconds left. SPX leaving gap open, but it's okay. We have objective higher. And Q approaching previous weekly looks good. I mean, maybe technically that's enough for longs. Let's see. Maybe I will try. This one. Yes. Let's try. Oh, look at him. Damn, and Q. What are you doing with us? Damn, guys. It's MQ perfect price action. That's wild. That's freaking good in NQ. I'm so annoyed simply because I wanted to see this yesterday. And I feel like yesterday we just wasted our life. And remember what I said yesterday? I feel like we don't know how to trade. It was so annoying. Crazy. That's crazy. That's what I want to say. Let me do one more contract here. NQ. Just. NQ, can you please keep going higher? Truly amazing. Honestly, we had to engage in NQ. NQ was better. Same setup, by the way, see? NQ. Like that. Displacement. And like somewhere here. And even higher. 220. Same setup on NQ. NQ was better. At least on NQ it was better volume, I would say. Oh, I'm so sorry, my mic. Yeah, you took NQ better. I agree with you. On NQ it was better. Here, I'm gonna trade this one. Oh, you cannot. Some people cannot see my executions. My bad. Oh, actually, they can, but they cannot see targets like that. Okay. NQ just straight up. I want to see 180 and 220 on NQ. Damn, why didn't I engage on NQ? It doesn't really matter once again, but for me, but I want to see like a bit higher on NQ. Ideally, I want to treat this as a breakaway gap. Want to put stop loss there. It's like really 4-point stop loss now. Let's see if it's gonna bounce to 17 and then 19. Ideally, previous weekly high level once again. On both ES and NQ, like not only on, let's say, on NQ, but not on ES, on both. I guess I'm risking less than $200 on this trade. I need to add indicator so I can see my P&L, but I didn't. I mean, of course, you can ask me, like, why don't I want to trail stop loss? Maybe I won't, but let's see. Why I want to do this? Because I want to treat this as a breakaway gap. So if price wants to be breakaway gap, it doesn't need to go here anymore. We just must respect this area and continue going higher. Like, ideally, that's a breakaway gap. Let me highlight on NinjaTrader simply because some people cannot see my TradingView now. I will show you. So this one can be breakaway gap. Not this one, like that. Up. Why? Because we got 2 expansion candles. See this? 2 expansion candles can be confirmation of potential breakaway gap. So technically, yeah, I guess I can do this. But I want to see higher. I'm just trying to understand what trigger I should have to engage in, to anticipate deeper pullback now. Because we engage in continuation setup here. It's continuation trade. But for another continuation step, what I would like to get? I would like to get the test of what? Like 9:30 I am open to engage in continuation. Because remember what I said yesterday in PM session, I don't expect to get deep pullbacks. I expect to get straight up. And I said most likely people gonna have FOMO. Remember this? We discussed this yesterday. Yeah, I trailed to break even as well. Remember what I said yesterday? Like, most likely people will have FOMO because it's gonna be straight up. So that's why I decided like not to wait. Like, first opportunity here, let me try. First opportunity here, let me try. I don't want to just waste my time waiting for pullbacks. Right now, makes no sense. Yesterday was consolidation. Most likely today it's gonna be maybe even trend day. You know, you never know. Oh, it's not even 10 yet? Guys, why so early in our executions? I just realized that. Okay, let's see. We have nice 4-hour flat candle right below all-time high at 18.75. I mean, I know ES and I know how much they love to play games. So I decided to put my final TP not at previous weekly high level. It's like really point away, but at 4-hour flat candle, weekless candle. Okay, guys, let's see. So basically my TP 78.17 and 78.18.75. I wish I was in NQ trade though. But I mean, it is what it is. Like, I have no complaints. Let's see if we're gonna bounce to 17 and 18.75. Really would like to get some sort of reaction from there. Even if it wants to, let's say, offer some sort of SMT at this highs for pullback, I want to see at least like maybe like a test of rejection block, if I can say so, like at 18.75. Oh yeah, guys, we like some. Oh, fucking good. Market treat me so well today. The trail. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. W in the chat. It's my third trade today. We'll close one more contract here. Don't want to be part of these games. Oh yeah, guys. Are we the best? Wait a minute, are we the best? Of course we are the best. Easy peasy, or how to call this whatever you like. Just avoid trading chap, but even in this chap, yesterday we were right. Oh god. I'm proud of ourselves, you know? I'm satisfied with this price action so far. Thank you for playing. Thank you for everything. Just beautiful, just amazing, just so good. Just, I don't know how to describe this, but guys. I mean, well, nice executions. Thank you for a good day today. Like, seriously, I truly appreciate this. And we hit previous weekly high level. Boys, this did not happen yesterday. Yay! We're the best. How much I added to my accounts? Ooh, good. I added $400 to my accounts today. Guys, I'm making good money. Wow. We didn't have FOMO. Thanks God we engaged. Like, we didn't wait for pullback. Thanks God we didn't wait for pullback. Thanks God we didn't wait for pullback. Yay, Alan! We kill it! So since it's all-time high, I have no idea where we're going now, like how far we can bounce. But on NQ, guys, I want to see 118 to 20. Remember? We said this before. Could be much more profit, but once again, it's not about money. It's about like trading level to level. Target hit goodbye. Like, it's nice to be done before 10, right? But we can look for another trade. Always. Guys, like, keep in mind, we have like key rule. Listen, if indices are shit, gold is perfect. If indices are great, gold is shit. So, since it's really nice price action, most likely gold gonna trade in just ugly chop. Let me check gold. Like, I mean, predictable, you know? Wow, keep trading higher, nice. I mean, nice, but once again, we didn't have targets higher, so we did a good job closing. I mean, of course, you could show your stop loss, and like, we don't know how far we can go, but I didn't have targets, so what's the point for me to hold this? So we didn't wait for this demand to be or engage in at this closure. It's fine. So basically, sweep demand to be continuation. That's exactly what we wanted. Or we could engage as we wanted from the very beginning, from here and long. But once again, I didn't want to engage right at market open. It was kind of risky, if I can say so. Nice. How many points we got? Like 13? No, actually more. So yeah. So honestly, guys, a reason behind this trade, I anticipate to get straight up. Like, since yesterday during PM session we discussed this. Like, most likely it's gonna be straight up, and most likely people will have FOMO. Remember we talked about this, and we really needs to be early in our trade. So I saw pullback here, 2-minute sweep, and I said like, if it's gonna be 2-minute order block, we will try. So we got 2-minute OB, I entered the long, and that's it. So I don't have targets higher than all-time high. So no reason for me to hold unless I'm gonna just trail my stop loss tight. Maybe, I mean, okay. But since I didn't have any targets, I'm just gonna close here and just observe how we're gonna play with these levels. I don't even have, I guess, projections. But on NQ, like technically, okay, I could hold on NQ. I could hold because of NQ, because on NQ I want to see 220, like institutional level. So I could hold because of this, but once again, no reason. But nice, nice. It's my second trade long on gold. My long on gold, I trade pre-market, guys. I entered long. I posted executions on Twitter. It was from here, from 68, if I'm not mistaken. I wish I was holding. It could be 60 points already. Because I closed like 17 or so at 7:15 a.m. It's fine. Disappointed because I could make more money, but once again, it's fine. Let's see what will happen next. I mean, honestly, I could expect retracement to SPX, but since yesterday was job, most likely they will be in rush to deliver us higher. And at this point, like logically, sometimes just need to like remove like pattern trading and just turn on logic and intuition. Logically, no sense to offer deep pullback. That's why I said like I'm fine to try here, but if it's gonna be deep pullback, maybe we will enter. But since after yesterday chop, since today is trend day, right at the open we got straight up, and yesterday was chop, I expect to get just no pullbacks at all. We got minor ones though. Nice continuation. It was just logically smart to do, to engage here, at least to try. Yesterday was crazy. Like, guys, I mean, yesterday we went long on SPX. I mean, it worked only by this morning. But yeah, we engaged yesterday in long, it failed. This one did not fail. I added to my position here. My average moved like somewhere here. And I had to close around like 4 p.m. But I took most position off at the top here because it was 62% on ES. And of course, it's a bit painful to see delivery, but once again, we didn't have volume yesterday to push market higher. So I'm okay. That's why I entered long at 7 p.m. during Asia yesterday. Because I expected to get higher. Zero reason to engage in short. Nothing makes sense at this point. And I expect to get used the low of the week. So we just had to continue grading higher today. So minor pullback today. I don't care like if it's gonna be premium or discount. Pullback, 2-minute sweep. Sweep confirmed by 2-minute order block. Continuation higher. It was continuation setup. For continuation setup, we almost never expect to get like deep pullbacks, unfortunately. Oh, nice. And yeah, over here at open, we got pullback. Initially, I saw like longs from like 96, 95. But once again, we decided like to stay away simply because it was kind of risky to engage right at the open. Remember, we considered long here. So, no, we entered like 9 points higher. It's okay. I mean, not bad. I have no complaints, you know. In Q super lagging asset, yes, keep making new all time. Let me check OIM. On YM it's hard. So on YM I want to see all-time high if you're gonna close above this level on daily. I mean, maybe today we're gonna close, I don't know, but on YM I want to see break above this sequence of done close candles on once again daily chart closures and all-time high. Kind of not crazy so, or I mean we will see. And Q actually has room to go higher, like 250, 350 today. And this if you're gonna get second trade after, I mean, like it's 10 right now, 10 a.m., 10:07. So silver bullet can be nice as well. Let's just wait. But you know, guys, when SPX leaves big gap like that unfilled, it tends to be filled like with big move to downside same day. So this means, I mean, definitely we can continue going higher maybe today and tomorrow morning, but PM session either tomorrow or first half of next week can offer like something crazy, and it can be like straight down, for example, to this gap. with like couple of candles. So we need to keep this in mind. So guys, always leave like unfilled gaps on your chart on SPX. I truly believe like it's gonna be filled in the near future. And it's gonna be big move to downside. Like really interesting what will happen next week or tomorrow during PM session. Well, I guess I have problem executing ES and NQ at the same time because my brain doesn't work like that. I can only execute one instrument at the same time. I don't want to jump between like two different markets and see like, should I close here? Why? Should I close here? Why? Right now, I just would like to wait. We're still holding above previous weekly high level. It's support right now. So technically, we may continue going higher. Just need to wait. They're similar. I know, but still. Guys, listen. If Tuesday is low of the week, for example, Friday makes high of the week. If Tuesday high of the week, Friday makes low of the week. It's like common rule. That's why even if it's gonna like offer some sort of pullback now, I don't mind to see tomorrow making high of the week and maybe TGF right after this. I see zero reason for pullback just yet. At this point, previous weekly high level acts as support. We need to come back like down below this level and look for potential, sorry guys, potential shorts for pullback. At once. I mean, I know lots of people like that. Tell me something. How it feels to live with trader? Do you want to kill him sometimes? Because I wish my husband knew nothing about trading because I want to kill him like pretty much every single day. That's why it's interesting how it feels. It's only me or it's like for everyone? He's not, I mean, he holds lots of, what is this? What the heck is this? He's like long-term trader. He doesn't trade like indices. He trades stocks. I don't trade stocks. So we are different traders, type of traders. So. Don't say this. Oh, that's nice. I want to sink you higher, 220 still. My husband not in the chat. He feels bad today, so he's sleeping, I guess. I'm talking about my husband now. He didn't feel good this morning, so I feel like he's sleeping now. I want to see higher as well. If we're gonna take previous monthly high, perfect. But I can see market going to 375 today, 350. It's 2.5 standard deviation projection. How many points it's traded? Nice. Let's look for another trade, but let's wait for setup first, of course. It's not a problem. He cannot watch me. He cannot listen to me, right? Oh, nice, Alan. I feel like we're not going to get pullback until we hit 220. And I feel like it's not going to be deep pullback. Fee projections, yeah, let's do this one in Q, right? Let me show you. I believe it was already chart, but I'm gonna see if it was. So, couple of weeks ago, we did this together. We found the very last move down before reversal. It was July 31st, 9 a.m. session high to 10 a.m. session low. So, July 31st, we anchored projection here. And right now we're watching how price, let's see how price reacted from 2 and 2.5. It went to 1 and 1.5 standard deviation projections. Reversed. Reversed all the way up to previous weekly high level, equal highs. I still would like to see 340 maybe. For now, 340, 350 area, then minor reaction, and then delivery to previous monthly high. It will be nice to see. But once again, it's from July 31st, this leg down. Yay, it's nice. Like, nice to be done before, like, 10. Did it hit 220? 215 so far, okay. Market needs to chill a little bit. Maybe it will offer some sort of pullback. Be ready for this, but I don't think it's gonna be deep pullback. Just need to offer some sort of pullback now. Well, guys, I'm up a lot on my funded today. Let's disconnect them, and second trade will be not unfunded, okay? Because we made good money today unfunded. I'm like almost, okay, $400. I'm up $1,575, $1,575 right now on each account. So let me connect. Oh, let's connect Epics actually, evals. Oh yeah, let's do this. Let me connect. Maybe let's trade them. I completely forgot. I have brand new guys one. I just bought them on Tuesday. Let's try to look for a second trade there. I was trading Asia and ES, guys, yesterday during Asia. I closed gold for 20-something points, 23 points or so. On ES, I entered at 7 p.m. and closed at 7 a.m. today. Okay, guys, let's focus on second trade. But gonna trade evals with second trade. Not going to lie simply because, guys, enough on funded. I was complaining about this yesterday. Like, I made nothing on my funded this week. I was like up $400 on each. And I was complaining about this yesterday. And next day, I made like almost 4 times more. Crazy, right? Oh yeah, Pro is nice. Seriously, they have no daily loss limit on funded, but consistency on funded. Yeah, sure. It's a good one. Payouts are faster, so keep this. Don't blow, please. Let's do minor pullback and let's try to engage in continuation again. Just need to be like a little bit of like pullback, like relax market, chill a little bit. Take a break and continue going higher. Let me check heat map. Ooh, it's bullish market seriously everywhere. Ooh, nice. No point for big drop just yet. Nothing tell us. Look at this. Cool. Okay, guys, let's wait for pullback. Here it makes sense. Maybe the test of previous weekly high level on ES, which lines up with 10 a.m. open. Just minor pullback for now. So I'm not sure about NQ. Maybe it's gonna be like 150, 155 retest. Once again, not deep pullback. And continuation. I just would like to get like some sort of like break and continuation. So maybe, you know, Maybe like that, like, I'm not sure, like 150, 160 area. And like seriously, just small pullback. Something and continuation. Target on, seems like in Q failed to take 220. 220 will be nice to see after pullback. It can be like maybe easy 70 points. Since we're gonna trade evaluations the rest of the day, maybe we'll trade in Q. I will trade in Q. It's up to you though. Definitely possible to bounce now, but I would trust it to bounce from like a little bit of, after a little bit of pullback. Let's find projections on ES. Like, no, I don't have them. Probably don't. I deleted them. Let's put them back. Okay. It's gonna be target 45.65. 78.65. Dasha, what's wrong with your levels? So yeah, it's gonna be TP on my longs. Give me small pullback, like seriously small pullback to engage and attempt to retest previous weekly high level run. So maybe a little bit more lower, but I do like how it lines up with 10 a.m. open. So in case we're gonna get in continuation, guys, on NQ target gonna be 340, on ES target gonna be 78, 65, 67. Yes, guys, 67. MMXM, I believe my husband running this boat. But I don't know, but I believe so. Why don't check BTC chart? Because I don't trade BTC. I'm holding Bitcoins since 2017 and 16. But once again, I'm not. Yeah, guys. Michael, I knew you're gonna send this because you always send this. You always can hear this. Even if you sleep, if I'm going to say 6, 7, you're gonna mention this. How do you have two streams? So using Streamlab, I can run several streams at the same time. So since some people watching me from phone, it's way easier to watch like in vertical mode comparing to like this kind of landscape mode. So that's why I'm running two streams at the same time. So some people can watch from phone in vertical mode. Some people can watch like in normal mode from computer, for example, or TV. Talking about gold, I will explain just a bit later, okay? Yes, come on. In Q, not that bad pullback. Still above 10 AM open. I'm okay to continue rising higher. Just cannot find good entry for this. Maybe in Q? Let me check in Q. But I'm missing. Let's check 15 first. Not even immediate rebalance. It could be 15-minute immediate rebalance, but it's not. Just at 182. Maybe 182 retest. Let's see, guys, if NQ wants to offer 15-minute immediate rebalance. If so, will be nice for continuation. God, come on. I'm gonna switch NQ here. And I would like to see ES to 67. 65. I'm gonna say 65. You were bearish today? When I said this. How so? We were looking only for longs. Nothing else. Only longs and only longs. We said forget about shorts. No way we're gonna short this. Yeah, since yesterday we were trying to long and only longs. We didn't take a single short. I don't like it failed over 15-minute immediate rebalance, but once again, it's fine. Just not for continuation setup. Where's the luck? Nice W. Yeah, we deleting short button, like sell button. Nice on yes, nice. NQ kind of lagging right now. Let's check 2-minute chart. Disappointed NQ didn't hit 15-minute immediate rebalance level at 182. Yeah, sure. Giveaway link. Guys, today I buy the 3 accounts for giveaway. So I decided to be like, nice. To say like, let's do 3 accounts. Link in the chat, guys, if you want to participate in giveaway. I mean, once again, most likely I'm gonna take... Guys, so today, like, from 6 p.m. to, like, 10:24 a.m., I already took 3 trades, 3 W's from me. So my first trade gonna be on Apex Evaluations because I'm up almost $1,600 on each funded. So I'm not gonna trade funded today anymore. I mean, we already got W on stream. So let's switch on evaluations and let's continue trading evaluations, okay? I really don't want to trade them anymore. There's no reason to give my money to market. I mean, I deserve nice money, nice profit, so no reason for me to give this back. Right? Just, guys, no. Like, seriously, no. Okay, let me see. The problem is for NQ, it's not breakaway gap. Let me check 15 though. But this one actually can be. This one is 100% breakaway gap. We're not going to come back. So ideally, this low is protected. So this one ideally protected. I don't want to see there 100%, but I mean, it's like far away, right? We need to get something on lower time frame to understand like where to put stop loss. This one is not breakaway gap. That's annoying. Questionable. For now, let's check 3-minute chart. I think it's gonna look like that if you're gonna get 15-minute immediate rebalance within the next 3 minutes. And reaction. So it might look like that. But we need to get pullback first. So maybe this. But I will adjust this. Don't put any limit orders. So first let's just wait for the action. So something like this, okay? For now. Maybe something will change, but for now, I'm gonna watch this. Yes. 340 actually. So yeah, it's in Q here. You can see, like, see this like watermark behind my candles? It's in Q. In Q. See? I mean, I'm not going to trade in Q, I'm going to trade M and Q, but levels are the same. GC, I don't like gold. Like, seriously, guys. If index is moving good, normally, gold moving bad. So let's move this to red so far, but that's gonna be our plan. And I will aim for 340. 320, 340. Wait. Give us 15-minute immediate balance first. Nice. Please answer sure. I just answered. It's in Q chart, and I'm not trading gold now. I expect, okay, let's say Wednesday was consolidation, Thursday expansion. I expect to get Friday same expansion during IM session. Friday creates either high or low the week, depends on the direction we had before, and then TJF. So that's conditions for TJF now, tomorrow. So far, I expect to get conditions. So you guys making notes for me. 30,340. Please. It's not, by the way, immediate balance anymore. It's possible immediate balance. It's not like, what is IB? Like initial balance? No, it's at this point it's going to be immediate balance of 15-minute fair value gap. So I hope it's not confusing for you. And that's going to be possible trade idea. I hope it's gonna offer at least like pullback back to 180, 185. God, it's 60 points lower, like no way, I guess. Okay, let's wait. I like it. Up, like that. Nice one once again. I like it, but preferably small. I mean, highly questionable pullback now, but I mean, finally we have volume. We simply did not have volume yesterday. So yesterday I was trading from my phone, yes. And we were watching a movie. I was watching a movie with my kids. I didn't like this, obviously. So I was decided to trade. I talk about risk management every single stream, so I don't have like specific video about this. Oh, please, don't do this now. I want to see 340, but please. Minor pullback. I want to see the test of 15-minute fair value because it was formed here. See? Small 15-minute fair value gap. Then we'll try. We'll try an NQ. Okay. So yeah. That's a great idea. So I'm working on this, like about exclusive giveaways, but not for now. Working, but it's not easy to do this. Because I'm against like of bonus programs or points programs when affiliates do this. I'm against this. So it must be fair, but I need to think about this, how to make this fair. I don't like these bonus programs, points programs. That's ridiculous. It must be banned everywhere. It's my opinion. So my ideal silver bullet on NQ, I mean, I don't know. For now, since we got interesting push higher, I want to see pullback around like 180, maybe 200 longs if you're going to stay above 10 a.m. open in these two levels I mentioned before. We'll put my stop loss at, actually here, I will put my stop loss over here because I want to treat this fair value gap as breakaway gap or measuring gap. I don't want to see price going there if market wants to stay bullish. Yes, guys, it's 60-point stop loss, but potential reward is 170. So we don't need to like full port this, right? Like 2-3 contracts. Micro contract. I don't think about gold now. I don't like to trade IM session on gold. Need to get pullback. 340, it's my hourly projection. Oops, sorry guys. It's my hourly projection level. I'm gonna extend this to the right to show you. That's why I want to long there. But first, please, maybe pullback. Yeah, I'm starting looking for longs here. But once again, guys, I took already like 3 trades. 3 trades? God. Yeah, 3 trades on my fund today. So I will trade evals the rest of the day. Because I made like twice more than I usually make. It's enough for me, Dasha. I said like, Dasha, enough is enough. So since I bought new Apex evals, something went wrong with previous ones. So we will trade Apex now. Not now, like after pullback. Yeah, guys, we need to go higher today. It had to happen yesterday, but once again, no complaints. No complaints. I will take it. Ouch. You know, I'm funded with over than 40 accounts. So, okay, yesterday at 7 p.m. I entered long on US. My entry was at 77.68. And I was like, I have no idea what will happen during PPI today. And I closed my trade around like 7:20 today a.m. I got like 17 points or so. I mean, good money. I made good money, no complaints. But of course, it's painful to see that it's almost like 100 points from my entry. It's okay. It's fine, Dasha. This happens. But I was questioning, guys, should I hold like during PPI or it's better to close and enter? So I closed and enter together. So it's fine. Could be worse. You want to continue watching me, not because you want to get account, because you're gonna support me, we're gonna trade together, and you want to stay here because it's best stream ever, right? That's what you wanted to say? Yes, guys. On Tuesday, remember, Tuesday was last day before expiration of those vals that I bought. And on Monday, this Monday, I was $150 away from passing. We took 2 losses in a row. Hello, Bella. We're talking about Perfect Apex account. And on Tuesday, I forgot about this. I was, after Monday loss, I was like $800 away from passing. Then I recovered, was $400 away from passing. On Tuesday, I forgot about this. At 3 p.m., I full ported, obviously blew everything. And I bought new vals on Tuesday, legacy accounts. Yeah. So you must follow consistency rule to get funded or to get payouts. So for example, let's say on Take Profit Trader, do we have 50%, right? I believe 50% consistency rule. So let's say you made $3,000, but you full ported this in the past for 1 day. So you need to make another $3,000 to meet consistency rule. So total, you're going to make $6,000. So to meet consistency rule, same with funded accounts. So you must follow consistency rule to request payout. So even if you made $3,000 but did not follow consistency rule, you're not going to get certificate or like email that you passed account. That's how it works. I mean, like lots of people don't like this, but once again, I'm fine with consistency simply because I usually don't full board or don't make like big money. MMXM, what? I don't have limit. I mean, let me switch. I don't have limit order. See, I'm just waiting. Let's wait together. Full port is cool. I mean, maybe. Minus time frame. I mean, I don't trade 1 minute time frame, but we're making good money here every single trading 2, 3, and 5 minute charts every single day. Once again, we don't build bias using these time frames, but we execute on these time frames. Works good. How much the buffer? Depends on which account you trade. Totally really depends on which plan and size account you trade. MMXM, can you send please my lessons? Yay, congratulations. I mean, I believe you sent me the message yesterday, no? Was it you? No, it wasn't you. But congratulations. Dasha's team is better, like best one, guys. Seriously. We kill every single day. We don't complain. We respect each other. We support each other. We help each other. Yes, I have video about strategy I trade on my YouTube, guys. And today, where's my? I hope today I'm gonna record new lesson about SPX. So I have lesson about SPX. You all know this, but I believe having video about SPX, it will be nice as well. So I'm gonna record video about SPX. Seems like I don't have any plans until like 3:40 because we have private high key class today at 3:45. I will have time to record, but I'm gonna edit maybe like tonight. Thank you, guys. Appreciate your support. $300 away? Trust me, lock your accounts and come back tomorrow. 2 years of experience. Yeah, I mean, I always say, like, it doesn't matter, like, what is your, like, background. If you traded, like, Forex, crypto, stocks, futures, candlesticks are the same everywhere. It doesn't really matter, like, what to trade, ES or let's say Tesla or British pound. Okay, let's talk about this. Let me switch on NinjaTrader. So did you see NinjaTrader? They just added, like a couple of weeks ago, they added new feature. So right now you can lock your accounts. So you just need to update this. You can lock your accounts by clicking this button. And by clicking this button, you can lock your account, let's say, for 15 minutes until the end of the day. For a 1 hour. Dasha, what's wrong with you? For 1 hour, 4 hour, or you can customize, like, for example, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 2 hours. You can lock your accounts. So also this available for NinjaTrader Probe and TradeAway Probe. So you just update if you trade on NinjaTrader, or you just go on TradeAway.com, log into your Probe Firm account, and you will see at the top of the screen manual lockout. You can pick like 1 hour, 30 minutes, and so on. So this helps a lot. I just lock my all funded. All I have is just a vals. Which one is the best? Okay, guys, it's my opinion. You can agree with me. Maybe you don't want to agree with me. But, guys, where's the best thing? Oh, nice. Someone can request a payout from Apex. Nice one. So, my top 3 gonna be Take Profit Trader, Lucid, and Tradify. Next is gonna be Apex. It's my opinion, guys. Once again, maybe we have different top list. But top 3, Take Profit Trader gonna be number 1 because I'm just in love with TPT and daily payouts. It's just my love. From the bottom of my heart, recommend to try Take Profit Trader. They're running 40% off now. If you want to support the channel, you can use code LUMI. Just saying. Then it's gonna be Lucid and Tradify. Talking about plans, with Take Profit Trader, go with 50K, best option in my opinion. Lucid, you need to go with Flex. Easy to pass, easy to request payout, easier way, I would say. But I went with Direct, you know reason. And with Tradify, I tried to go with Select. And then like pick daily payouts or Flex, 5-day payouts. So it's up to you. But I went with straight to funded. You know why. I just don't like it. Let's see if it's gonna retrace to our 180, 280. You don't like safety net, but you know, it's basically it protects you from like from overtrading and from blowing your accounts right before payout. So you know, like you need to build the buffer. After this, you can request your payout. So basically, it's a nice option. Like build your safety net, build your buffer. Your drawdown is locked. Request payout above this. Mwah, perfect. Seriously. I'm just trying to... Am I satisfied with this? Not bad, I would say. Let me check. Not that bad. I think I'm maybe satisfied. Let's see what kind of reaction gonna be. Thank you. I always look good. Why? Because I'm humble. Why you executed this? You closed it. Why you so... Okay, starting today. What is your real name? MMark0024, if I pronounce this. What is your real name? If you don't mind me to ask. I prefer to call people with real names. Gonna ask you something. Nice. Starting today, promise me, don't chase the price, wait for setup, and don't short if you see down close candle. And don't long when you see up close candle. It means nothing. Starting today, say, I promise I'm not going to chase. I promise I'm gonna wait for setup. I promise I'm not going to have FOMO. I will be patient enough to wait for my setup, okay? You're always super early on your positions, simply because you don't wait. Then don't close so early. I'm just trying to help you. Because sometimes you say like I close so early, or like I'm going to cut here. So I was just kind of wondering like why. Sorry about this. I didn't mean to be like rude or something like this. Yes, I tested previous weekly high level. Nice. Let's see. So we just reached 15-minute fair value gap, which is good. I don't like gold. Now, maybe later it will offer something sold, but for now, kind of Guys, since I want to record the video, I'm not going to 10 p.m. session. I'm gonna just spend my time recording the video. Yeah, guys, I'm so sorry. Maybe I sounded rude. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean this, you know. You gold trader? I mean, I trade gold during like Asia pretty often, maybe PM session. I kind of not fan of gold price action during AM session. So let's see. Maybe, as you said, sell is coming, but we need to break like major support level, which is previous weekly high on ES. I can stream PM session because we have private class, hockey class today at 3:45. So I have to pick my kids, cook food for them, then go to hockey. After private hockey class, we're gonna have like hockey practice class. So I'm not going to be like in rush. So I will record the video, we'll edit it tonight, we'll cook food for kids and pick them up from school. So today it's not day when I'm going to stream PM session. I don't have time for this, unfortunately. Gold during Asia moves good when index is in chop during AM session and PM session. That's what I noticed. Gold moves so good in Asia at this point. You think it's gonna be nice volatility next week? It's good. I like when we have volume. Yes, still respecting 10 AM open and previous weekly high level. Just guys, don't be in rush, okay? For example, from what I see right now, NQ trying to offer pullback, but it's not kind of short yet. Just pullback. 5-minute chart. Still kind of bullish to me. Just kind of healthy pullback. I wouldn't chase shorts probably. Unless you like scalper. But I want to see a bit lower, 180. We discussed this before. Needs to get some sort of validation on 5-minute chart to say, okay, possible short here. I want to see lower now. But kind of not enough information, right, to short. Kind of. My opinion. Don't chase, guys. ES needs to break major support, which is 10 a.m. open and previous weekly high level. So far we're kind of holding this. That's why I kind of like, I would trust to wait. No rush. Oh, it's almost 11. Oh God, I just realized it. Still closing inside the 2-minute fair value gap. Maybe it wants to offer reaction now. And we kind of trade inside 15-minute fair value gap. See how it keep closing inside? It's kind of bullish signal. But once again, doesn't mean it's long. Just kind of bullish signal. Oh yeah, of course, not financial advice, of course. Could be much more better to see this level, but once again, here's also fair value gap. Maybe 235 now on Q at the test. But I don't mind to see 180, Yes, trying to break support. Previous weekly high level. Let's see. We tested 5-minute OB now. Still a little bit lower, please. 5-minute chart still looks bullish. No shift in structure yet. But we do have shift in structure on ES. So... You know what I'm gonna do? I guess I'm gonna do this one. And SPX gonna highlight OT. Sorry, guys. So yeah, I'm almost $1,600 on each funded. So I traded a lot today funded. 3 trades. So switch on evals. I just switch on evaluations. No reason for me to trade funded. So just no reason to give my money back. I made like really good money. I got 3 Ws. Gold. I traded gold during Asia. I got 23, 25 points. I don't remember. W for me. Then I traded ES long from 7 p.m. and I closed this morning. And we entered long together today during the AM session at 9. What time we entered actually? At 9:50. And we got W as well. So I'm done on funded 100%. Just gonna switch on evals and look for 4 straight. Well, I never use fair value gap as my entry point. I never use fair value gap as confirmation of reversal or something like this. I'm looking at this as sign if it wants to continue going lower or higher. For example, if price keep closing inside fair value gap, that's a sign for me that price still wants to be bullish. For example, like here. But I'm not going to execute of this fair value gap. I know, guys, I don't use inversion fair value gaps for my entries. I use them as probably some sort of confirmation. I don't use like reclaimed fair value gaps. All I use is like power of 3, order block, and optimal trade entry. Yes, look at the yes, still respecting my key area. Support respecting, so I would like to be careful still. I don't like how NQ keep closing inside 5-minute fair value gap. Even if you're going to like trying to break below, it's still closing inside. Just keep this in mind, okay? I cannot see sells. I already said this. You're trying to short bullish market without confirmation. I mean, unless you scalper, it's fine. Confirmation is going to be changing the state of delivery, shift in structure. On NQ, on yes, we have it. That's important. On NQ, we don't have this just yet, but it's trying. How many minutes left? 1 second. 30 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. So once again, let's see how we're going to close. Inside fair value gap or below. For example, we just closed below and price closed below mean threshold of this 5-minute OB. Let me check. Yeah, closed below this mean threshold. First confirmation of invalidation of possible like short-term bullish bias is here, but I still want to see 180. On 15-minute chart, it's bullish. On 5-minute chart, like it actually can be confirmation that we may retrace to 180 as we wanted before to validate this long. Ideally, we should retrace there. Please, so can you retrace to 10 AM open? Just asking. No? I mean, all right, I'm not in rush. Annoying. Okay, let's wait, guys. Let's stream next 30 minutes, okay? I'm gonna stream next 30 minutes. I believe you're gonna get nice trade. But what I'm trying to say, probably shorting is just chasing the price. I mean, once again, we can anticipate retracement, but nothing tell us like on medium time frame, like short is now. I like 5-minute inversions to validate this retracement at 180, but once again, don't chase. Unless you scalper once again. Giveaway not done yet, you didn't miss this. Then I'm open respected. Respecting support as well. Good morning, night. By the way, it's not my husband. He's sleeping. So first expansion candle on 30-minute chart on both NQ and ES. So in order to anticipate continuation of previous expansion candle, we must stay below 50%, right? So far trying to stay, but no reaction yet. I mean, guys, you know, I know, I kind of question shorts. Why people keep saying to short on the chat? Like, why? Maybe, but let's break the support first. Kind of not yet. YM. Look from the reversed for possible daily change in the statement. That's crazy. Let's stream, guys, until like 11:30. Let me copy this. Because on the SPX and NQ we can get pullback. But once again, ES and SPX still respecting support, which is bad. Break below support? Yes, this one. Let me switch on MES. Hey. Okay, sorry guys. So idea, if I want to like scalp short, gonna look like that. So basically we're breaking support area, we're expecting 50% of previous expansion candle. We're putting stop loss above expansion and breaker block over here. We're aiming for OT. Let me switch on my walls. My leader account. See how it's trying to break? Looks good. What level I want to aim for? How many contracts I need to trade? Like 9 points? 50k, it's like 5 contracts if it's... Okay, guys, I mean, maybe on evaluations, we may try this one. Let's see if we're gonna stay below the support. If so, like, let's try on the walls. I think so. But only if we're gonna stay below this level. Okay? That's how I see this. Okay? This one will be a wall. Which time frame is this? 2 minutes? Okay, let me check. Once again, I'm not gonna copy this on funded. It's just evaluation. I mean, let's try. It's for evaluation only, guys. Don't copy on funded. Oh, guys, let me see. Where's TP? I said here. 805. No. Yes. I'm done on funded. But for evaluation, I mean, let's try. Do I put stop? Yes, I did. See, guys, I never hide if I trade evaluation or I trade funded. I always transparent about this. When I'm on eval, I really don't want you to copy this on funded because I decided to trade this on evaluation, right? It's like for a reason. So I always like transparent about this. Why it's so off? 1 second. Something's wrong. Oh, I got it. It's different price. Or it's me? I know. Okay, let's switch on SPX because we took this because of SPX. Do I show you? Yeah, I show you. Okay, I set alert here. Okay. See? We just... I'm so sorry, guys. See what happened here? We just broke below 10 a.m. open. We got nice closure below this level. So initially I wanted to treat this as support. So right now we got a signal of potential resistance here. That's why. Trading only evaluations, guys. Nothing else. Trading this for a reason. Just to test. Why not? And we got similar to be here. Okay. Let me check NQ 1 second. Oh, NQ did not test 180, so let's see if NQ can test this level somehow. We never know. Equal bodies. Yeah, I wrote this correct. 4 points lower. Yeah, like 78.12 retest on ES, 78.10 retest run, so I don't mind to get. I don't mind to get like 180 on NQ, I guess. But once again, I still bullish on the day. I'm okay to take second trade on the walls. Why my chart looks kind of different? Or yes, yes. Questionable. I wish NQ could go here to 180, so I could look for longs to 340. Maybe we could even pass to the accounts. So this can, I guess, $200 on this trade. Yeah, run so. Oh, it's exactly $200. See, just trading the walls. Just copy onto one evaluation account. Let's see if SPX wants to reach like equilibrium of this move up. Could be nice. If so, if not, then then we will see. Yeah, then we will see. What's the price I set for this level? God. Dasha. 09? Okay. 2-minute order block. Then I'll... 6, okay. What? Okay, whatever. Don't pay attention. Oops. So stop loss is quite big. I really want to drag this lower from the very beginning. 2-minute OB, I would probably drag this to 24, but I'm okay for deeper retracement simply because it's valuation accounts. But these three key levels where I would like to get reaction if market wants to stay bullish. Not sure which one, 12, 09, or 06, but one of these levels should offer reaction. I'm just not sure which one. I check SPX. Yeah, around so. If I converted this right, like 3 points lower, it lands up with 12, which is first potential support in a near discount. Then I would like to see 5 points lower from current price levels, around like 10, 11. Yeah, around so. Then I open holding still. So I think I want to drag to 24. So technically it's let me check first. Yeah, 24. It's mean threshold. I hope NQ can test 180, like seriously, because that's area where we're gonna get, I guess, last chance to long. But I'm not in a rush. Yeah, my first target is 1-1. Would like to see 3 points lower on SPX. First minor low, minor sell side there. Oh, guys. What time is this? I want to record the video. I don't want to waste time. Guys, everyone entered giveaway. You have 4 more minutes, okay? Everyone entered giveaway. Are you ready to start? I just want to record the video, so don't want to just waste our time. I hope everyone entered, so we can start. Okay, I'm gonna give you 2 more minutes while I'm opening like giveaway tab. Do I want to sit here? I don't think so, I guess. It's choppy. Okay, guys, I just don't want to like stream too long. Okay, I'm gonna drag here to break even. Just don't want to sit too long because I want to record the video. Okay, guys, 2 more minutes to enter giveaway. Still would like to see SPX going to this level, but I'm not going. Guys, I think I want to take a break from today. I already took so many trades. Like, enough is enough. So, guys, everyone entered. Let's wait, guys. Okay. There's no reason, you know. Because this trade can be like for hours. You never know. Like, what's the point to just wait for like 5 points, you know? Why my kids were watching YouTube Kids on my iPad? Excuse me? That's them so funny. You know, my kids know the password from my like iPad, from my phone. And I mean, of course I could change this, but I can forget. So that's why I don't want to do this. But that's so funny, right? That's funny. Let's see if it's... Oh, guys, I partialed. I mean, excuse me? First profit on the vals and first trade is a win? First trade is a win? How is it even possible? I never have win when I start account. Like, excuse me, is it a dream? Am I sleeping now? What is going on? Am I sleeping now? How is it even possible to have double your brand new account? Hey, Michael! You here? I believe I saw Michael. Nope. Oh yeah, Michael, how are you? So sorry guys, I skipped Michael's message. So we got, looks like 2 W's today. 4 trades for me today, 4 wins. Okay. Not bad day. Even on evaluation. Okay, let's start giveaway, guys. I hope everyone entered. Look at this reaction from 78.12. 1 ES. Oh god, such a beautiful price action. But I don't like how NQ failed to take 180. Oh, I know who won! Yay! Are you in the chat? Let's wait for this point, okay? So far we got, like really guys, 1.3 R. I mean, could be worse. No complaints, you know. I can't see her. Can someone see her? I don't hear. 1 second. What I'm missing? Oh, I see. I see. Why you have? Oh, I see. Yeah, I see you. That's weird, guys. 3 accounts today. 3 accounts for giveaway today. Nika trades. Did I say this right? Like Nika. I'm bullish on NQ now. Like really bullish. Trying to break 50% of expansion candle. Nice. All ES needs to do is retrace back to previous weekly high level and broke above. If so, like, we will get a confirmation as well. If not, then it's fine. Then not. I see you. Why I don't see like your message here? That's weird. I'm still holding short on ES. Yeah, sure. Yeah, of course. I see you. Yeah, we have winners here, guys. Nice. Fast enough, which is good. Fast enough, which is good. I will send you accounts, guys, today, but don't blow them today, okay? Keep them at least for tomorrow. I feel like, you know, this protein bar is nice, but kind of sweet. I know how to eat. Maybe my kids will eat. Or my husband. Need to update 78. Don't worry about this. It's gonna be adjusted once it takes 70. You will see. It's gonna be adjusted. Kind of decoupled. Guys, look at this. What a garbage. My husband will eat. Maybe he will like it. But at least 17 grams of protein. That's nice. I need water. Look at SPX. We didn't hit 50%, but we did on ESO. Weird. I think SPX wants 50% as well. It's around like 10, 9 on ES. It's really hard to convert sometimes. And Q still expecting 50% of previous 30-minute candle. But first levels that were considered potential support and reaction didn't give any reversal signals. We're good then. See SPX. Let me move. SPX did not hit 50% yet. About to hit, I guess I will lock one contract there. Let's lock one contract here. SPX just hit key level. See, it's adjusted like. Do lock just one contract at 50% since SPX hit this. Would like to see 2-minute OB at 78.09, but I put one tick above 0.25. Yeah, just lock a little bit of profit. Oh yeah. Let's drag here. Okay, micro left. Not bad. Thanks, SPX. Truly appreciate this. Look at the sniper exit so far. Yeah. You know, happy like I got like W, like first trade on brand new account, because normally it's not W. Normally it's way worse. Okay, guys, final CP set at OT. I don't know what will happen next. Q still bullish. So just micro left. Let's learn how to hold runners. SPX hit 50%. I'm fine with reaction or even reversal. Like that's why I like locked profit. But look at the sniper exit. I mean, it's getting hot. It's, you know, it's kind of getting hot here. Lab did not prepare me for this. I will trail here. I'm kidding. I want to see 06. Let's put one tick above. You know, 1 micro left. Maybe if like I was like with full position, I already closed this. But learning how to hold runners, you know, also great practice here. Oh fuck, guys, how we can kill this every single day? I mean, I don't know. Like, seriously, how we can do this every single day? I mean, I don't know. And you hit 180 finally. I mean, nice. You upset. Like, wow, guys. I mean, enough for today, guys. Let's leave money for someone else. Let's hit the W in the chat. Damn, guys, it's crazy. Let's leave some money for someone else. Damn. How we can do this? I don't know. But like, okay, guys, enough, right? If you want to support the channel, use code Lumi. I want to record the video about SPX model now. SPX trade played out. Damn. Broke below support, short to OT. God. Did I say we're the best? Of course, like, why need to repeat this every single day? Of course, we're the best. Well, guys, we kill this again. 2 wins. Non-shorts, longs and shorts. And Q hit 180. That's exactly what we wanted to see. I mean, definitely we can continue maybe going lower once in Q we lose 10 a.m. open. But, wow. Yeah, sure. Like, you know, yeah, like, you know, and I'm up like $1,600 on the funded. Like, you know, nice. I didn't expect much. Yes, like second W. It's crazy, right? Well, I want to record the video, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message everywhere. We destroyed this market again. Yesterday it was like, guys, crazy consolidation. But you know, even with this crazy consolidation, guys, our trade from yesterday, it played out. Just took forever. If you want to support the channel, use code Lumi to get TPT with 40% off, 35 with 40% off, Lucid with 30% off, Epix with 90% off. To pass evals? Oh, you know, when I really need to pass evals, I pass Epix for 1 day. But it's for streams only. So my goal is to pass evals on a stream, showing like good risk management. I don't want to full port. Like, ideally to show like discipline and good trading. Well, guys, I'm gonna record the video about SPX model like right now. At least I will start. We'll start editing tonight, I guess, or I think so, like tonight. We'll post next week because I'm slow. But you can read all my lessons on my website, funded.now/lessons. All my lessons available there. 1 second. All lessons available here. Go to funded.now. Click lessons. Lessons here. And all lessons, SPX model, fair value gap, order block, standard deviation projections, ICT optimal trade entry, ICT power of 3. Then I am open setup. With playbook that we traded today. Let me find playbook, reversal playbook. With reversal playbook, which we traded today. Just reverse this. All my lessons are here. So if you want to learn this, you just go on funded.now/lessons. and read this lesson. But once again, some of them are like on my YouTube, like video recordings. But I'm gonna record SPX as well because for some reason people love to watch more than read. So I'm going to record SPX lesson, which you can read on my website. You can watch this like next week. I'm just gonna record like now, okay? Yes, trade, like click lessons, go to 10 a.m. open lesson. It's like last lesson. Read a reversal playbook profile. Read the reversal playbook part, not profile, part. You will understand. I have picture for bullish stuff, but it's exactly the same for bearish one. Okay? And Q is really trying to break 10 a.m. open. See? So if we got confirmation of short on ES, we didn't get this one on Q though. You know, you can ask Claude to convert this to PDFs if you want, or I'm gonna do this later. But you can just like ask Claude, can you convert this to PDF? And I guess it will. ICT has video about immediate rebalance. Just go on ICT YouTube channel, in search bar, click immediate rebalance. He covered like a couple of years ago part about like immediate rebalance. So we're getting confirmation on Q. Okay, guys, we're getting confirmation on Q now. Price really trying to break below 10 a.m. open, which is good. So at this point, we may go to OT as well, at least 50%. Let me highlight. I'm not going to short. Like, seriously, enough, guys. We will continue tomorrow. I like how 50% lines up with previous weekly high level, but our goal is to see how we're gonna close on with below 10 a.m. open or above. So that's gonna confirm our profile. Just wait, okay? Guys, any other questions? I mean, I don't see a lot right now. Still kind of respecting 10 a.m. open. It's not short here yet. Kind of, I know, like kind of questionable right now. Well, guys, see you tomorrow at 9 a.m., 8:50 a.m. around. So I'm gonna stream on Ninja Trader at 11:30 and from 9 to 11:30 on my channel. So we absolutely destroyed this market today. Actually, we destroyed this yesterday. Considering like we got nice double, not nice W, nice trade idea. It just didn't have volume. Good profit for me, like I guess for everyone today. Like a pretty like solid price action, pretty much tradable price action. We have volume to work with, so which is good, you know. Happy. So 2-minute order block still holding, but it's actually trying to break 50%, so which is probably invalidation. Still inside OT. Guys, read OT lesson. So what can happen if it's gonna break OT with displacement? There is chance to go all the way down to hit weekly open, New York midnight open. So just trying to say, if market wants to like continue dropping today, it will be insane. But once again, nothing surprises anymore. You can read this in OT lesson, but idea will be something like that. Strong break below 70.5% on ES, minor pullback, continuation. So maybe something like that. The test of weekly open, New York midnight open. But if it's gonna break below 70.5%, it works same way as we work with OT of RTH gap. It's gonna be short. Continuation lower. No PM session stream. I'm going to record video. I don't know how much time it will take to record. It's not easy to record. Because sometimes I like speak, explaining something, I said stupid shit, I need to record this again. Record this small part again, and it's extremely annoying. So guys, you got it. I will see you tomorrow at 9 a.m. We will kill this tomorrow again. A nice W for us. Really happy with this market today. Thanks market. So guys, thank you for everything. If you want to support the channel, use code Lumi. Let's hit final W in the chat because we destroyed this market today. We got longs, we got shorts. Just absolutely destroyed this. Yay. Oops. You got it. Thank you guys for everything. Thank you for support. Thank you for nice chat today and communication. I will see you tomorrow. I'm gonna switch to Discord if you have any questions. I'm staying here, just not on stream. Ask me questions in Discord. Love you guys. Bye everyone.